Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss different data manipulation instructions. These data manipulation instructions are used to perform some computations on the data. Unlike data transfer instruction, they won't change the data, but these data manipulation instructions change the data. These data manipulation instructions are divided into three types: arithmetic instruction, logical and bitwise instruction, and then shift instructions. We will discuss each type of instructions in detail. The first one is the arithmetic instructions. By using this one, we will perform the basic arithmetic operations. What are those arithmetic instructions? Increment. So the symbol is INC. The purpose of increment is to increment the content of the register or memory, whatever it is. The incremented its value by 1. Suppose previously the value is equal to 1. Now the value becomes 11. Similarly, decrement. So we know that one. Simply it decrements the value by 1, and add operation. So the symbol is add. Simply it adds the content of two registers or a content of register with the memory location. Similarly, once you know add, the subtraction operation, and then multiplication, and then division. So we already know these basic operations, how we are performing. For example, add R1 comma R2. If this is the instruction, what happened? Simply it adds the content of R1 and R2, and the result is copied into R1. Like this we can do subtraction, division, multiplication. Along with we have addition with carry. We have addition with carry, subtraction with borrow. So addition with carry in the sense, suppose 15 bits, 15 bits. Along with we are considering the carry bit also, that is represented as ADDC, subtraction with borrow, SUBB. And then the last one is negate. So you know the meaning of negation. Simply ones to zeros, zeros to ones. That is the negation. These are different arithmetic instructions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these instructions are used to perform the basic arithmetic operations on the given data. Now move to the second category. The second category is logical instructions or bitwise instructions. What are the different logical instructions? The first one is some clear. The first one is some clear instruction represented as some CLR, and complement. We know the meanings of each and every one. Clear instruction in the sense simply to clear the content. Complement in the sense convert ones to zeros and zeros to ones. And end operation. End operation. Symbol is A and D. R operation. XR operation. I will explain with one example. What is the purpose of end, R, XR? End operation is used for clearing, that is masking the bits. For example, I have a number x, end operation with 1. What is the output? If x value is equal to 0, 0 and 1, the answer is 0, that is x only. Suppose if x value is equal to 1, 1 and 1, the answer is x only. The answer is x only. For example, if x value and 0, what is the answer? Obviously 0. That is, for clearing the bits, we are using end operation. Similarly, XR1, XR operation with 1. What is the answer? If one input is 1, always the output is 1. For example, XR operation with 0. If one input is 0, if it is 0, the answer is 0. If it is 1, the answer is 1. That is answer X is only. It is for setting the bits. Now XR operation, we know XR operation is for clear complement. For example, XR with 1. Here if it is 1, 1 and XR, the answer is 0. That is X complement. Suppose some XR with 0. If it is 0, 0 and 0, answer is 1, X complement. Simple thing. We already discussed all the arithmetic micro operations, logical shift already completed. Here the concept is what are the different data manipulation instruction. We are segregating in that fashion. The purpose of each and every operation is not at all changed. Okay. Now, along with what are the other instructions? Clear, complement, end, or XR. And then next one is clear carry. Clear carry along with set carry. So in the operation we have an extra bit carry. If you want you can clear the carry bit, or if you want you can set the carry bit. Set in the sense make into 1, clear in the sense convert into 0. Set carry, similarly clear carry along with enable interrupt. Suppose if your system wants to accept the interrupts, so enable interrupt. In a similar fashion, disable interrupt. So what are the instructions? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what are the instructions? Clear, complement, end, or, XR, clear carry, set carry, enable interrupt, disable interrupt. These are the different logical operations. Now the last category is shift operations. What are the different shift operations? First, SHL. What is the meaning of this one? This is a logical left shift operation. Logical left shift operation. We know the meaning of logical left shift. For example, if this is my instruction, by performing shift left operation, we are losing this bit 0, 1, 0, 1. At this position, we are adding 0. We already know how the shift operation is performed. If you are doing left shift, we lost the leftmost bit and a 0 is inserted at the right position. Similarly, SHR, logical right shift operation. The bits move to the right side. In the sense we are losing the rightmost bit and 0 is included. Suppose if this is the case, we are losing this bit 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0 is added here. So logical shift left to logical shift right. After that, arithmetic shift left, SHLA, SHRA. Arithmetic, A specifies arithmetic shift left operation, arithmetic shift right operation. Generally, these two are used for 2's complement. That is, if the numbers are represented in sign 2's complement, we are using this one. We already know the examples of shift right. Suppose if the shift right in the sense, we preserve the sign bit and then shift the bits. For example, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Assume this is my number. If you are doing shift right operation, we are preserving the sign bit and then do the shift operation. This is arithmetic shift right operation. And arithmetic shift left operation is similar to logical shift left operation. There is no change. While moving to the left side, the number becomes double. Clear? These are the 4 instructions. Along with the next one is right rotate. Simply those are rotated in the right circular fashion. ROL in the sense left rotate. Suppose 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. If they are in the right rotation in the sense, simply this is moved to here. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Left rotate in the sense, simply this is moved to here. Right rotation and left rotation, simply the circular shift operations. So we already discussed logical shift operations, circular shift operations and arithmetic shift operations. Along with we have some ROR, that is right rotation with carry. ROL, see, I think you understand. Along with the regular register, in this case, we are considering the carry bit also. For example, if it is a right rotation in the circular, along with the carry in the sense, the carry, including the carry bit, we are doing the rotation. In the left rotation, including the carry bit, simply the carry bit moves to the 0 position. In this case, the 0 position bit moves to the, instead of MSB, it moves to the carry position. Clear? These are different data manipulation instructions. By using all these instructions, we can change the data, we can perform some computations according to our requirement. The next session we will discuss the third category, that is the program control instructions. Thank you.